U4B recently teamed up with the world's largest glove company, Top Glove. The discarded textiles are collected by Lifeline Clothing Malaysia at the Top Glove headquarters in Setia Alam. The collected material goes to the Australian Textiles Manufacturing Malaysia's factory in Port Klang, where it is processed and sorted into up to 500 different categories. Upcycle for Better then sends the suitable material to the various home sewers that they deal with, providing much-needed jobs within the community. Finally, the Top Glove Foundation purchases the manufactured cleaning cloth back from Upcycle for Better. The cleaning cloth comes neatly packaged in 10-kilogram bales, then placed on a 450-kilogram pallet, making it easier for logistics. A sticker is then placed on the packaging, informing its users that they can continue to close the loop by sending the used manufactured cleaning cloth to ATMM's factory, who then send it to their partners who can turn it into energy. Thank you, Top Glove and the Top Glove Foundation, for your commitment to textiles recycling and for being part of the S Network. The S Network stands for Textiles and Household Environmental Stewardship Network, which is a sustainable infrastructure and network to ethically tackle textile waste and provide jobs within the community by working to each other's key strengths and core values. This Top Glove and U4B initiative combines social responsibility with sustainability to benefit the environment and the people who live in it. Top Glove facilitates the programs and shares the cleaning cloth, and instigates conversation and creates demand within the community and the corporate world. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do a lot.